What's up, y'all? I wanted to come on real quick because I wanted to do a new series called Nails and Movies, where I do a nail set that coordinates with a movie that I'm gonna go see, or um, even if I'm not going to the theater, like maybe I can even do a series just off of a movie that I watched, like on Disney Plus or Netflix or whatever streaming service. But I feel like it would be a cool series to do because I really enjoy doing nails and I like having my nails kind of decorated for the specific movie. So for today, the movie that I did go and see was Moana 2. It was a really good movie. There's so much echo. Ooh. This was a really good movie. I would say that Moana 2 actually gives the second movie is as good, if not better, than the first movie vibes. Truthfully, because the way that they incorporated more of the culture, more of the like characters that build up the island and help, Moana be who she is. They did it seamlessly. The twists and turns of the movie, top tier. So let me show you the nails. So I went kind of tropical, orangey, island vibes with them, with like palm fronds being added. And then there's like slices of oranges just to represent fruits for the island. So I really like how these came out. I think that they are super cute and they go with the theme, like the general theme of the movie. And these are press-ons, so really simple, easy to do. I use those little sticky tabs to put them on because I'm actually gonna be filming another set for another movie that I'm gonna be going to see on Friday. I'm trying to get the tabs so I can show you what they look like. So they're these little sticky tabs. But I will tell you that if you are planning to put these on using the sticky tabs, I suggest that you use 2 sets. So the way that I put them on normally, if I actually want them to stay for an extended time, this is just a real quick caveat, is I'll put a set on my actual nails and then I'll put a set on the back of the press-on nail and then I'll apply it that way. So it's kind of a sticky on sticky. And I will say that they last so much longer doing it that way. Anyway, I highly suggest that you go see Moana 2. And I teared up because it was very moving. Great story. But yes, I got the collectible bucket. I missed getting the Deadpool bucket. And Wolverine. I missed getting that one, but I did get the Moana, the movie that I'm going to see on Friday. I missed getting that bucket. Very sad. Anyways, if you want to go see Moana 2, and I am going to be posting the video on how I did these nails, how I designed them. The nails, I got them off of Temu actually. And they were just regular orange nails. I don't even know where the box with what they look like before I added my little decorations to them. But you will see it in the video. And so that is the first installment of Nails and Movies. Go see Moana 2. And hopefully you'll enjoy it as much as I did. All right. Bye, guys. Toodles.